Start. In India, the foundation of democracy is upheld by transparency and trust in governance. The Right to Information Act of 2005, hereinafter referred to as the RTI Act, plays a major role in this belief, allowing all citizens to request information from government bodies, promoting responsibility and effective administration. This important legislation revolutionized governance by giving citizens the right to request for and receive information from public bodies. In this blog, we will explore the history, objectives, crucial features, along with substantial provisions of the Act, and we have also recommended the demand for the Right to Information Act 2005 in India stemmed from a desire from transparency and accountability in governance. The significance of the right to information was highlighted when the Universal Declaration of Human Rights was established in 1948, guaranteeing individuals the liberty to access information and ideas freely without any limitations. International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights 1966 asserts that everyone should enjoy the freedom to express themselves and have access to a variety of information and ideas. The Supreme Court in the important case of State of UP versus Raj Narayan held that transparency is a crucial part of democracy and citizens should have the right to access records and information of government entities under the ambit of Article 19 of the Constitution. In the 1990s, a movement for justice took place in Rajasthan led by activists like Arun Roy and Nikhil De through the Mazdoor Kisan Shakti Sangathan. The Mazdoor Kisan Shakti Sangathan launched initiatives to establish foundations and put into practice the idea of the right to information. The Right to Information Act 2005 is a crucial law established by the Parliament in 2005 under the democratic principles of transparency, accountability, and trust. It has provided citizens with a path towards a more active participation in a democratic country like India. According to the RTI Act, any Indian citizen has the authority to request information from an entity which is accountable to furnish the requested details within a time frame. The legislation encompasses public authorities and control of public authorities. The RTI Act was formulated keeping in mind various key objectives of the democracy. Full stop over.